Hey, yo, look at the water. This is crazy. You can't see nothing right now. This is what a snowstorm look like in mass, baby. You can't see nothing. But it's beautiful. I swear it is. Come on, viewers, man. Y'all know y'all like this. Like, subscribe, man. We got more beautiful masks coming. Look at this. Real snowstorm type stuff. I'm gonna keep it recording for y'all, so y'all can see what it's like in mass through a snowstorm. I know this ain't safe, but for my viewers, I do anything, baby. Y'all want content? This is what y'all need, man. Look at this beautiful shit. Look at this mask. This is nice, man. Kick back. Look at the mountains. Not mountains, but you know. Gotta make it look good. Dress it up. Gotta be careful when you drive out here, man. This is white out conditions for you, bro. Only going 25. Any more than that, I'm gonna start spinning.